Hey guys, yesterday we talked about 7 reasons why you need to buy Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. You can watch this video by the link in description. As you understand, this is not perfect smartphone, so I suggest you to discuss the disadvantages of this device. Here are the main reasons why you should not buy Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 at the end of 2018. Yes, the smartphone has full view display with 18:9 aspect ratio, however the top and bottom bezels are still thick. Also, we cannot see that bezels on sides are very thin. In 2018, the phones with notches or even slider are very popular, while Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 looks outdated. You will not surprise anyone with the design of this phone. We praised the display of Asus phone in the past video because it is really high quality. However, we didn't find information about screen protection. The official website or other sources say nothing about this. It seems that Asus Zenfone Max Pro doesn't have screen protection, and it is very bad. It means that the screen will quickly scratch, so you need to use a protective glass right after buying the phone. The next reason why you shouldn't think about buying Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 is chipset. It is powered by 14nm processor Snapdragon 636 with maximum clock speed 1.8 GHz. The chipset was released in October 2017, so it is about 1 year old. We cannot say that it is bad, because it provides pretty good performance. For example, it scores about 113,000 points in Antutu. Also, we haven't any problems with user interface and games. Later, we will make detailed performance test of this phone. However, when you buy a smartphone with price tag about $260, you expect to get the new processor. Nokia X7 or Honor 8X have the same price as Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1, but they are powered by new Snapdragon 710 chipset. So, in my opinion, processor is another reason not to buy Asus phone. We said that Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 has good cameras and you can take really good photos in daytime. However, there is no optical or even electronic image stabilization. Yes, you can shoot video in 4K, but it will be shaky. You will need to use phone stabilizer or a special software to get smooth video. Zenfone Max Pro M1 has 5000 mAh battery and it provides long battery life. From other side, this phone has microSD port and 10W power adapter. It means the device doesn't support fast charging. The full battery charge takes 2 hours and 42 minutes, and it is too long for 2018. Most smartphones in 2018 charge for 1.5 or 2 hours, but here you have to wait almost 3 hours. Very slow charging. And the last reason why I don't recommend to buy this phone is the price. The lowest price I found is $260. I am talking about 4 and 64GB version. This is pretty high price for the smartphone with old design and old chipset. For example, for the same money, you can get Nokia X7 on Snapdragon 710 chipset and thin bezels around the display. Also, you can buy Xiaomi Mi 8 II on Snapdragon 660 processor with amazing cameras, and it will be even cheaper than Asus phone. So it was 6 reasons why you shouldn't buy Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Of course, it is not bad mobile device, and it has many good features. We talked about them in the previous video. However, in my opinion, it is overpriced. It will be good smartphone for under $200, but not $260. And what do you think about it? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.